This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in the South Loop on the 40th floor rooftop terrace of 1001 South State, looking out over a fabulous panoramic view of the skyline to the north, out toward Navy Pier, looking out over Grant Park, Museum Campus, and panning around to the south. This is a terrific location, close to CTA trains, grocery shopping, dining, nightlife, everything just a short walk away, and fabulous views in the building in every direction. I'm headed downstairs for a walk through one of the apartments. I'm at apartment 3801, looking northwest and panning over a panoramic view of the skyline. From the sunset in the late afternoon all the way out to the Navy Pier fireworks. Fabulous view through floor-to-ceiling windows with roller shades. Spacious living dining area here. We have high ceilings and plank flooring extending throughout the apartment. There's a breakfast bar island. Kitchen has veined granite countertops. It's a gray tile backsplash. French door refrigerator with ice and water in the door. You have both designer pendant lighting and dome lighting. It's a built-in microwave and dishwasher. 5-burner gas range. Double bowl stainless steel undermount sink. Really good cabinet and counter space. And just a great feel to this room from those dramatic windows. Heading into the master suite. Plenty of space here to lay out any size bedding. And depending on where you sit your bed, you can watch the sunset. Heading toward the bath. So walk-in closet with custom organizers. And an oversized bath. There's plenty of space to add a piece of furniture in here. You have a double wall vanity, drawers for storage, a very wide triple mirror medicine cabinet, and an oversized walk-in shower with a frameless glass door. Great separation of the bedrooms here for couples that keep different hours or roommates. Guest bath finishes similar to what you saw in the master. And again, a frameless glass door on the shower. Second bedroom has also those dramatic windows with roller shades. Plenty of space in this room. You can have your bedding and a home office desk. And again, you have a closet with custom organizers. Heading toward the entryway now, behind the louvered door. Exactly where you want to see it, away from the main living and sleeping areas, your in-unit washer dryer. And the entry closet also has custom organizers. This is a very appealing 2-bedroom, 2-bath. 1001 South State has a very convenient location, an outstanding suite of amenities, great views in every direction. It's pet friendly, and you want to have 1001 South State on your must-visit list. Head to the building's website to see more floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.